It's October, so time for some Halloween-inspired cocktails. Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Doc Martinez, and today I'm making another Halloween-inspired cocktail called the Black Widow Old Fashioned. This one will be made in a mixing glass, and we're going to start off with some activated charcoal. Now, when I bought it a few years ago, I found it in capsules. It's the only thing I found it in. A little bit harder to work with, but once you get them open, they work really well. And the good thing is, we really don't need a lot of this. This is what's going to make the drink nice and black. It just getting these to open is the fun part. There you go. Just dump that in there and fill that up there. Next, we're going to be using some maple syrup. Now, originally I had the maple syrup that they used in the bourbon we used, which is the Widow, but I can't find that. So we're going to be using about a half an ounce of this. If you like it sweeter, add more. If you want it less sweet, don't add as much. But this is a Black Widow. It's sweet until the very end. We're also going to be adding 2 dashes of chocolate bitters. Now, if you look at this chocolate bitters, you might kind of recognize this is Gnome's bitters, and it's his new label for his chocolate bitters. We're going to be using that today. So 2 in here. Keep that kind of sweet. Next, to make a Black Widow, what else would you use? Widow Jane. Widow Jane Decadence is what I'm using for this one. Nice little pop there. 2 full ounces of this. Look how black that is already. Now we're going to stir this up. Get it chilled in the glass, but not over chilled. Perfect right there. All right, now I'm going to show you, I got this Black Widow glass that I have here with some marshmallow over the top to make it look like spiderwebs. It started sinking a little bit from all the weight, so make sure you do it. You use it fast and maybe, stretch that out. Let me see. I just don't want to get all over my fingers like that, but, it was spread out more and they kind of got stuck together. So make sure you do that and use it pretty quickly. But there you go. It's a, Black Widow spiderweb. We're going to put that in here. Ooh, look how nice, dark, and black that is. Exactly what I'm looking for. But we're not stopping there. I made some little red half circle ice cubes. This is going to be that red on the tail. So let me see. Might have left them out a little bit too long, but let's put one in here. And there you go. You get the nice red tail there. And there's the Black Widow Old Fashioned. Already got the Black Widow. And actually, if you look at it from the top, it looks like a big bulbous spider butt with a red spot on the back. Exactly what I was going for. All right, let's go in for that drink. So without the marshmallow, nice, solid, just good old fashioned. Decadence has a nice little bit of sweetness to it already, but not overly sweet. Adding that maple, that chocolate, this kind of balances out the drink. Now, oh look, it's kind of interesting to see if you can see this on camera. But on that, you can see that the glitter is kind of going on the big ice there, which looks really cool. Now, when you take a sip of it through the spiderweb, the marshmallow part adds a little bit more sweetness, marshmallow to it. So it just kind of changes the drink a little bit, but both ways are very good. Well, there you go, friends. Another quick Halloween cocktail or old fashioned. Happy Halloween, my friends. Stay safe. Cheers.